Some football news now with the Sorrel and Ham now out of the way. The Red Star Premier League is back after a week's break. Leaders Waterhouse will be out until Monday, but second place Portmore United will be in action as 5 matches are scheduled for Sunday. It's that time of year when discipline is the most important factor following a holiday of parties. Expect players to be sluggish and even carrying a few extra pounds. But that's nothing new to Arnott Gardens coach Jerome Waite, who would have seen it all before. They'll be on the road to the improving Harbour View, who marched out of the relegation zone just before Christmas. Waite is upbeat and is hoping the players are over with the holidays.
That is always a factor because, you know, the holiday was all about family and the excessive eating always come in play and to a point the drinking also. But I have seen where, you know, players still look a little sluggish, but we still have to continue working.
And while some players were partying away, club owners and management staff were busy at struggling Montego Bay United as they spun the recruitment wheel. A move which has seen several players who once wore the blue and green returning from their sojourns.
People like Yuan Wedry, Dishian Beckford is here, Jacomina Barrett is here. We have people like Owen Garden is also here, but that are attacking force, and we have Dino Williams training again, but I don't think he's gonna be fit for this Sunday. It's probably been a fortnight too early for him, but we are working.
With the recruits in place, confidence is now on a high, and Owain Turtleman Gordon says the mix is now right as they get ready to visit Humble Lion at the Effortville Centre.
So now we are getting a lot more work in practice and a better training session than before. So I think the trip to Clarendon, you know, against Humble Lion, you know, it's going to be a better game, you know, where they have good players out there now that can pull through victory.
Sixth place Tivoli Gardens began the season promising before they began to fade. They have used the break to iron out the kinks and are expecting good returns at home against Reno.
We don't know if they have done any business in the window and what they are, if they have any new players, right? But we just have to prepare ourselves, right, and play to our strength.
UWIFC were also thankful for the break as they plotted a way to get into the top 6 after enduring a torrid time to the end of the first round. They'll be in action against the last place Dunbeholden.
We got a chance to fine-tune some things we were trying to accomplish in the latter stages of the year, and so we expect a tough game tomorrow, but we expect our team to have a better approach and have a better mentality going into it.
Leaders of Portmore United will host 5th placed Mount Pleasant Academy at the Prison Oval in the days of the game. Victory for Portmore will put them atop the table ahead of Waterhouse, who will play Cavalier on Monday.